Hello kids, welcome back to Quiz Dog. Are you ready for thrilling fun challenge with us, which is guess the word by its emoji? Like and subscribe for more. Time for the first question. Can you guess which word is this? Amazing, this is ice cream. Alright, moving on. Try to guess which word is hidden behind this emoji. Fantastic, this is Batman. Next question. Do you have any idea which word is this? Try to guess which word is hidden behind this emojis. Fabulous, this is hot chocolate. How about this word? Can you guess it? Yeah, it is TikTok. Would you rather football or volleyball? Do you know this word? Keep on going? Yeah, this is Burger King. How about this word? Give guess. This is monkey. Any ideas for this one? Amazing, this is Japan. Next question. Do you have any idea which word is this? This is basketball, you nailed it. Try to guess which word is hidden behind this emojis. Would you rather waterfall or rainbow? Which one you like most? Comment below. Next question. Do you have any idea which word is this? This is Angry Bird. Keep it up. Can you guess it yet? Which word behind this emoji? Fabulous, this is mailbox. Guess the word by its emoji. This is campfire, you crushed it. Try to figure out this word. Yeah, it is Red Bull. Any guesses for this word? Yeah, it is football. Alright, moving on. Try to guess which word is hidden behind this emoji. Fantastic, it is rainbow. Next question. Do you have any idea which word is this? This is butterfly. Try to guess which word is hidden behind this emojis. Fantastic, this is Xbox. Can you spot it? Where is different emoji from other rest? That's the spirit. Do you know the answer? Fantastic, this is waterfall. How about this word? Can you guess it? This is teacher. Try to figure out this word. This is blueberry. How about this word? Can you guess it? This is watermelon.